Hi guys, in this video we are going to check super investors portfolio, what they have added or sold in the recent quarter. Probably all of you know that in the recent quarter the result of different companies has already been published. Now based on their filings we can check super investors portfolio what they have added. Now this data I will take you to the trend line and I will show you top 5 super investors that I personally follow and what they have added in their personal portfolio. First, to start with, let's start with Ashish Kacholia. Now, those who already know Ashish Kacholia, he needs no introduction. Ashish Kacholia is one of the ace investors who are famously known for his peak in the small and mid cap category. We'll take you to the trend line and we will show what all stock that Ashish Kacholia has invested as per the recent filing of Q3 2022. What you see in the screen right now, it's Ashish Kacholia's recent addition. See, you can see in the small cap category, he has added lot of stocks. Especially if you see here, you see the names Bharat Bijli, Genesis International, Laopala, United Drills. There are actually a lot of companies that he has already invested. Now, out of all the additions that he has made, you can see by value, Mahindra Logistics are actually of the highest allocation. Now, if you see 48 crores has been put in Laopala, and in the Mahindra Logistics there are 53 crores of the money being invested. Now you can understand these are all small cap stocks. So guys, there is no recommendation. These are like some of the stock he found interesting and he has invested in those stocks. Guys, Ashish Kacholia, probably you know that he has been famous for his a lot of picks. For example, Sarah Sanitary Ware, you have seen it has given a really staggering return. Just not only that, he has also invested in HLE Glasscoat, which has also given a really good return. So Ashish Kacholia is known for his pick when the market is not exploding the small and mid cap opportunities. Ashish Kacholia finds this kind of names which is not known to the people, and among them he has a very good track record of finding really good returns. Those who are interested can certainly dig much deeper into the stocks and can check how exactly the return profile looks and most importantly what could be the earning trigger for this company. Moving forward, let's check Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. We see something really interesting in Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's portfolio. There are two big names which has been added in Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's portfolio. The first name is Star Health and Allied Insurance Company. And in the second company, Metro Brand, he has invested 2,356 crores. So you can understand, guys, these are really big picks by Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Next, we have Radhakishan Damani. Those who are following Radhakishan Damani, you know that he is a really long-term investor. He doesn't touch his portfolio very often. So in the December, we do not see any new addition or any new sell from his portfolio. So just to check some top holding that he has invested in India Cement, Blue Dart Express, 3M India, Andhra Papers, Train. These are the companies that he has invested and remain invested. Then we have another ace investor, Vijay Kedia, in our list. We can see that there are one new names that Vijay Kedia has invested. The name of the stock is Tablos Automotive Component Limited. Guys, Vijay Kedia is another famous investor who is also known for finding small and mid cap stocks. And he often finds a lot of multi-bagger. For example, if you see Vaibhav Global, he has been investing for a quite long time. And that time Vaibhav Global was not known to the market. So this was his pick. And right now you have seen the return profile of the Vaibhav Global has really given a stellar return. Next, we have Monish Pabroy. Now, Monish Pabroy, probably you know his investing style. He tries to look for a very cheap company at a very favorable market condition, which can give a very solid return in moving forward. Now, Monish Pabroy is also known for his concentrated investing. He does not hold a lot of stock in his portfolio. The stock that he owns, he typically tries to own as much as he can. When we check Monish Pabroy's portfolio, we do not see a lot of stock in his portfolio. He typically holds a very concentrated amount of stock in his own portfolio. We see here Monish Pabroy holds 6 to 7 stock. For example, right now if we see in the December, in the recent quarter passed by, Monish Pabroy added some amount of Rain Industry in his portfolio. Now Rain Industry, probably most of you know, it is one of the famous pick by Monish Pabroy. He has invested in the stock when the price was 40 rupees initially, and then the stock has actually gone up very much. It has almost given 8x 9x return when there was a lot of surge in the price of CPC. Then the share price corrected, and during the pandemic fall it came as low as 50 rupees. So Monish Pabrai in the recent quarter, probably the range at which Monish Pabrai bought Rain Industries was 200 to 230 rupees. Anyway, there is no other changes we see in Sunteck Realty. Probably filing is awaited for many other stock, for example, Edelweiss Financial Service, Kolte Patil, Kaveri Seeds. So these are the stocks at which the filing is yet to be required. If you followed any interview by Monish Pabrai, he talked about IEX. He still holds IEX, and he after he has invested in IEX, he has actually got a really good return from IEX, and he says that he has no plan to sell IEX stock for a while. Now guys, to sum it up, we have total 5 ace investor today we have checked. Among that, Ashish Kochilya's portfolio, we see lot of new names of the stock, and out of that 2 stocks typically we talked about which has taken lot of more allocation. Then we have checked Rakesh Junjunwala's portfolio. We have seen that in the recent quarter, Rakesh Junjunwala has taken a really significant bet on 2 stocks, that also we discussed. Radhakishan Damani, we see no changes. In Vijay Kedia, we see only 1 stock he has added in his portfolio. And in Monish Pabrai, he has added no new stock. He already owned Rain Industry. He has added 2% more what he owned in the previous quarter. So guys, that's a total summary. I hope you find this session interesting.
Guys, we never believed in recommendations since the day on of our YouTube channel. What we do, we show you transparently. You can see our stock portfolio online anytime you wish, free of cost. The link is in the description box. We have a Telegram channel. There are more than 1700 active retail investors who are sharing their knowledge. There are a lot of important discussion happening in the channel which you will probably love to catch up. We are building a network of retail investors. Why? Because I'm a retail investor first and then I'm a YouTuber. Feel free to take a look at our Telegram channel. You will probably treasure our YouTube channel if you are a long-term investor. Link is in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to catch you up very soon. Until then, take care. Bye.